Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a PDF searchable using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Firstly open your PDF file. This is my PDF file. And click this tools option. Here you will find scan and OCR option. Firstly enhance your PDF file. This file. Now click enhance. And secondly recognize the text and click setting option. Recognize all of this and output. Edit our text and image. Now click OK and recognize text. And click this tools option, click edit option and search your word and search the this is and finally click file option and save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.